Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. Want to provide an update here on ticker symbol PTN or Palatin Technologies Inc. Got the 15-minute chart pulled up here. You can see some pretty crazy moves here. This thing was trading around 32 cents or so just a few days ago, and now it's up at 55 cents. So some really big moves here in the short term. You can see a high here of 102. This thing ripped really big here and then started to rip again in after hours trading, because you can see when regular hours closed, thing was around 55 cents, and then geez, the bid ask is up around 80 cents now. So made some really big moves in after hours trading yesterday. Let's check out here the 1 hour chart. Not a ton to see here, although you can see that it did reject the 21-day EMA pretty good. So once it started to make these big moves, pull back, a lot of candles here around this 21-day exponential moving average, a lot of candles rejecting that level. So that might be a dynamic support level you can look at if this thing retraces back to this 21-day EMA to kind of see how it acts there, since you can see on the 1 hour time frame earlier that it was able to reject that level nicely. Let's check out the daily chart. And yeah, not much to see here, although something to note on the daily chart is my trend reversal indicator on this crazy candle here plotted a buy. So on the larger time frame, my trend reversal indicator is bullish on the stock. And you can't see this candle did close around 51 cents. Now the thing's up at 80 cents, so that was definitely a good long entry signal there. Let's head back to the 15-minute chart. So let's zoom in a little bit here. So yeah, you can see definitely around this 90 cent level, you got a lot of rejection. You got a huge wick sticking out here. And then this next candle is a pretty good size red candle here, or bear candle. So I definitely think around this 90 cent level is going to be key. I mean, this thing is only 10 cents away from that level right now. So if the buyers continue what was going on in after hours trading yesterday and get this thing above the 90 cent level and close above it, I think we're going to see a big explosion higher. And then to the downside, on this time frame, you definitely see a key level here around 60 cents. You can see it ran up here around this level, rejected it, left a wick sticking out, pulled back, ran up right to it again, another wick sticking out, another pullback, and then it came up again pretty near that level, not all the way up to 60 cents, but around 57, 58 cents there, and rejected that level again. So if this thing starts to sell off, pulls below this 21-day EMA, I would keep an eye on that 60 cent level. I think that's going to be a key level. If it can reject that, that's going to be a good sign. If it falls through that, then I think we can see significant drawdown. So definitely key levels there to be looking at. I'd say this 21-day EMA first to the downside, and then if it goes through that, check out this 60 cent level. Keep an eye on that. And then to the upside, it appears that around this 90 cent level is going to be key. If the buyers can bust through that, I think we're going to see a big explosion higher. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker PTN or Palatin Technologies Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.